Let's look at question number 32. The integral part of 5 plus root 17 raised to power 2021 is. This again is a very standard problem, and if you know the method to solve this one, it will hardly take 30 seconds odd to complete this question. Otherwise, it will take quite a while to solve this particular one. I'll tell you about the thought process one should have to begin with this problem. So whenever I see expression like this 5 plus root 17, 3 plus root 5, something like that, I think of rationalization, at least writing it down. So uh, 5 plus root 17, 2021 equals to I plus f. This is integral part, this is fractional part. Fractional part comes because of this rational number. Now, when I think of rationalization, I think of 5 minus root 17. So let's write it down once. 2021 equals to. Now, we can see that root 17 is a little bigger than 4, but lesser than 5. Let's say this is something approximately 4.1. Now we can see that 5 minus 4.1 is a fraction. And any fraction raised to power of which is bigger than 1, that is also a fraction. So basically this is, let's say, f dash, a different fraction. Now what I'll do, I'll try to add up. I can see things are getting cancelled out after I can see that things are getting cancelled out because of the binomial expression. When I open that binomial expression, and let's try to sum it up. So what we'll get is the first term will be 2021 C0 dot 5 dot root 17 raised to power 2021 plus 2021 C1 dot 5. This is 5 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 1, root 17 raised to power 220, and so on. For the second expression, we'll get 2021 C0 dot 5 raised to power 0, root 17 202 minus root 17 2021 and minus root 17 2020, and so on. We can see that odd powers are getting cancelled out. If we add these two expressions, the odd powers are getting cancelled out. So this one is getting cancelled out with this one. But these ones are getting added because we have an even power over here. So we'll get 2 times of, let's say this particular expression is k1, and we'll again get 2 times of k2, and so on. Point is, this is these are even numbers. So we are getting an even number on the left hand side. On right hand side, we have I plus f dash. Now see, this one is an integer. This is an integer. So this one has to be an integer. The summation of these two has to be an integer. So f plus f dash should be an integer. But what should be the value? We know that any fractional number is less than 1 and greater than 0. So basically, these two summations can only take integral value of 1. It cannot take 2, it cannot take any other value. It can take only 1. So basically, this should be 1. If this is 1 and this is even, so I should be odd. So that way, the option is correct.